kayong taga-media. You know, you want to know my sentiments? Salamat.
Welcome to Duterte versus Media. Epic Savage Moments, kung saan ipinakita ni Pangulong Duterte ang kanyang matinding galit laban sa mga biased at fake news na media. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, hinarap niya ang mga ito ng buong tapang. Kaya't ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na, let's go!
So, ABS-CBN is expecting me to lose because they were campaigning against me?
No, sir.
But what hindi
So
ko
I'm
na-
just following up a story regarding a possible vice presidency that you might seek, since you've mentioned some of, your sentiments in your previous public speeches.
pang ano lang yun sa political leverage, you would know what is a lame duck. Kaya ikaw, hindi ka talaga papayag na maging shit ka rin. So nandito ka, you try to posturing yan, political posturing, so that they would not treat you badly.
Kung napay usa ka reporter nga rin, ikaw pa ad. Nangutanan ako, how is your health? Ano mo, I'm fine, I'm good. Sagot pa na ako. Saan yung medical report mo? Ginastos gani. Hindi ginanak mo, ayun lang. Ako himat yun. Pagawas ako'y kontrabida. May ba na anaon ni mong tao? Kung ingon ka, kumusta ang kondisyon sa bisong sa imong asawa? Sabi? Kung sama ng iyong kuhan, naibaginitis o wa? Ako, kabra. Ganun eh. Pinastos mo. Kamong mga taga Manila, mga reporting para itong manlupi. It's a very impertinent question. Pinastos.
Ikot na kayo. As a matter of fact, I'm urging you, make this trip the last in Davao City. Huwag kayong pumunta, and that is make it the first time in the history of this republic. Do not cover me. Kill journalism, stop journalism in this country. If you are worth your salt, you should accept the challenge. Pagka hindi, mababa na ang tingin ko sa inyo. Para kayong takot. That is the threat. Put-ina. Sinabi ko na sa mga ugok. Put-ina. I can lose the presidency. My life, honor, just do not with me. Huwag ninyo akong takot. Boycott. Lusay kayo. Di ba boycott kayo? Huwag na kayo man. Patayin ninyo. I was really translating it. Patayin ninyo ang journalism dito. They abound the vultures pretending to be journalists. Ang problema dito, every son of a bitch who claims to be journalist makes money out of it, smoking money, extorting money from the people, and he is killed and is glorified because he's journalist. Magpragtahan na tayo. It's better to tell the truth and agree on the truth rather than play bullshit with journalism.
One last question, Mr. President, from Bing Habadan of Daily Shimbun.
That lady there, you can come with me and then buy a plane, I'll buy your ticket coming back.
Hi, Mr. President. Good afternoon. I'm Bing Habadan from the Daily Manila Shimbun. Sir, Senator De Lima was asking if may gusto daw po ba kayo sa kanya?
Ano? Ulit mo?
She was asking, sir, kung may gusto daw po ba kayo sa kanya?
Kailan ho ulit may matutumba na mayor?
So weird.
Sir, kailan ho ulit may matutumba na mayor?
Depende na lang sa intriga mo kung saan ang mas marami.
157 Pete Wasson, Cubao, Quezon City. Aantayin kita. Suntukan na lang.
Hindi ako talaga. Sorry ha. Talagang ano ako. Boycott talaga.
Hanggang kailan yung boycott?
Wala na. At the end of my term.
Bakit?
Basta wala. Ayoko na.
Hindi na magbabago talaga yon.
May interview, maraming mali. Maraming criticism. So, no interview, no criticism, no wrong statement, no nothing. So, shut up. Ayoko na talaga.
But since you are a fake news outlet, then I am not surprised that your articles are also fake.
Okay, sir. Sir, earlier in your speech, you said that the issue on the SEC ruling against Rappler is not an issue of press freedom. But at the same time, during your speech, you were giving comments about the media and about Rappler and Inquirer na sumusobra na kami. So what does that mean, sir? You say that this is not an attack on media, but you also have attacks on media in your own speech.
Let me give you an example. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Your inquisitive mind goes beyond its normal proportions. Bong, ayun na. You know, I just tingnan ninyo yung a daily dose of your medicine. Bongo intervenes in the 15 billion. Who gave you idea he can intervene? Where is his signature? Where is your statement? It seems to appear na intervening because of what money? The things that you are telling here never happened. Pag magtanggap kami na gano'n, ipasa namin doon sa proper, if it's Justice Department, it goes to the Justice Department. If the subject matter here is about transportation, it goes to Tugade.
Sir, first of all, you're digressing from the question. Secondly, we also got SAP Bongo's side before publishing the story.
Yeah, but even
So,
if it does not, even if I do or I do not know that, tignan mo yung headline mo. Is that really
Sir, hindi po ako
a
nagsabi.
word of a sensible person? He's not a military man and he interview what? You think you can convince Lorenzana and the guys there, you can bribe them? Or you would think that sila papayag nga kami ang mag-bribe then the way I talk, the way I've been firing people? Tapos tingnan niyo yung ano, what do you know about also the vote that Bongos intervened?
sir, as far as we're concerned, we've already addressed the issue of fairness on that article. Can you just answer, please, the question?
Hindi kita maintindihan. Ano? Okay, what's the question? I am now explaining even with your article. Find a way na masabi ka nagtotoo, nag-intervene kami. I'll give it to you. And if you can find, I will ask Bong to resign tomorrow. Work on it tonight. Let me know tomorrow and I will fire him. If he did intervene, even for one word. Kasi kayo, tingnan ninyo yung mga article ninyo. Maligaya kayo gawain nyo sa kapwa-tao ninyo yan araw-araw.